Tired of fiddling with heated beds and warping prints? Say goodbye to those frustrating hours. Introducing the Phaetus Conweb Cool Plate, the revolutionary solution for your Bambu Lab A1 or A1 Mini. This isn't your grandma's built plate. The Conweb uses cutting-edge molecular interface technology for incredible adhesion at room temperature. No more heated bed hassles, no more warping, just perfect prints every time. And removing your prints is a breeze. Our innovative flex release technology and ergonomic handle make one-handed removal safe and simple. Plus, the integrated AR code ensures perfect alignment, no more guesswork. Durable, easy to clean with soap and water, and built to last with a self-regenerating coating, the Conweb Cool Plate is the ultimate upgrade for your 3D printing experience. But here's the deal, this game-changing technology won't last forever. We're offering a limited-time discount on the Phaetus Conweb Cool Plate. Click the link in the description below to grab yours before they're gone. Upgrade your prints, upgrade your workflow, upgrade your life.